I have a question for Doctor.
Yes.
Just now, Doctor talked about terahertz water being able to kill most of the E. coli. I want to know, what about pylori?
Ding. Definitely there is an advantage when you are consuming this water. See, what has happened is the company picked up one bacteria called E. coli, or maybe there might have been another few bacteria which they have done a clinical testing by putting the water. Now, the best example I can give you is there are thousands of bacteria available. Now, if each of us are going to ask which bacteria is going to be effective or not effective, we won't know. But H. pylori, definitely when you drink this water in a long run, definitely it can give you, because once your immune system is good, definitely it is going to clear those H. pylori bacteria. But I cannot claim anything because we do not have any clinical studies. This is where I need to be a little more careful when I'm talking and giving you information that yes, drink this water, H. pylori is clear, means then our medical fraternity will show me your research. So this is where we need to be a little more careful, Ding.
Okay, yeah, maybe Mr. Ding, as we know that we boil water mainly is to kill the bacteria, right? But for the E. coli, actually, although you boil until 100 degrees Celsius, it cannot be killed. So the technology is advancing, and some people using the UV sterilization. Have you heard about it?
Yes.
Yeah, to kill the bacteria or the germs. So this terahertz wavelength is along this UV. It can be used to kill the bacteria, all kind of bacteria, including E. coli, which is the one that is hardly being killed by the boiling water, right? So, what company emphasize E. coli because it's something like very difficult, and this E. coli will cause death if you don't take care of it, like a diarrhea, vomiting. It will become a die. So this is just a things that I explained. Is it okay with this?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
I have a second question. A lot of my friends are using hydrogen water. I just want to seek anybody out there having experience of using terahertz device to scan the hydrogen water and get different, maybe even better pleasant experience.
Yes, you can. But as you know, the hydrogen water, it cannot be leave it there for a long hour, So you must quickly after come out, then quickly scan and drink it. Because you know the hydrogen water, especially those in the packet one, once you open, you must finish it, or else it will be just fly away. So you can do it. You can do it after coming out, then quickly scan and drink it.
No, my question is, anybody having done that get better experience, that means before and after scanning using terahertz device.
Your house is using hydrogen water?
No, a lot of my friends are using because they feel that is good enough as far as they're concerned. So what I'm trying to say is, any one of the people out there having the experience of using terahertz device to scan the hydrogen water and get better result out of it.
Ding, I wish to let you know here. Okay, now this is the simplest example I can give you. Number one, you have a LED torch in your hand. There is another torch which is a normal bulb, which is normal illumination will be given. You would prefer to go for the LED, right?
Yeah, sure.
Do you want to mix up the normal light and the LED light and then ask what is the benefit you're going to get out of it? We do not know. So the best option is, let's not compare here. If you're going to compare with the hydrogen, definitely another group will come and tell you ionized water is the best. Another group will come, they will say we have the Oasis water, which is the best in the world. So what will happen is we will start getting confused. Now the best option for you here with the terahertz technology, there is the best thing which is already existing inside. What best do you want to create more out of putting the hydrogen water there and then getting, what do you want to get more? We don't need, we already have enough of good properties is given by this particular system. But with your inquisitiveness to know what will happen, I would love to do it. Why not? We should try that. In that also, what I would share is, if hydrogen water is nothing but the hydrogen concentration in the water is on the higher number. This is number one. So when there is a high hydrogen concentration, it is a best fuel, you know. Do you know where they all use a hydrogen? It's normally in the spaceships. Hydrogen is used. Why? Because it has got a high efficiency rate, and the energy produced by hydrogen is amazing, and it's all instant. So when you are going to drink hydrogen water, definitely there are a lot of good benefits to your body. Definitely, yes. But you need to understand that, as I told you, if hydrogen water is being drank by few people, it's not the whole world is going to drink hydrogen water. No, it will be only a certain group of people which they get it, and definitely they have got the benefit. We salute that beautiful sharing, that it does a very good job. But here what will happen is, it's all individually, we need to give it a try. Your situation is wonderful. We should give it a try. Why not you pick a hydrogen water and then probably we terahertz it and drink it and see what happens? Probably out there people should be able to give us more information. It's nothing wrong.
Okay, thank you.
But for this point, I also can add in some point, because for my kids have a skin sensitive issue. So at first, I bought the hydrogen water in a packet one. Or one day he just consumed one pack, and in 2 months time, yes, the skin issue resolved. But after that, I stopped buying. Then it come back. So in the long run, I buy this terahertz device, which can have a same or better performance than the hydrogen. As we know, hydrogen water, there is extra H, which can neutralize the free radical, which can have a very good antioxidants, right? That's why your skin will heal. Same thing for the Kangen water is very good in high oxidation. So the skin issue also you can see the improvement. But for the small molecule, linear molecule, radiation, this is something new, which is not appear in the other water filter. So from here, when you enhance this with this terahertz 3 minutes scanning, it will become better, improve further whatever characteristic that don't have in the existing water filter. Yeah, and in the long run, it's also one-time investment. You don't have to buy every month. So it can be a very good in terms of the financially more efficiency lah. So eventually we already earn back, it's a free, and if we continue use it, and we don't have to buy anything in the subsequent month. So in the long run, it's more better lah. Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much. That's one of the feedback that I'm actually looking for. Thank you very much.
So no conflict with any water filter. If they have already very good one, they can continue use it and just scan the 3 minutes. It will enhance further, add on the benefit. And that's why my friend Mei Fong, she's using Kangen at home, but then her problem is still there. But when he scan 3 minutes on her existing water, it become better, and then to resolve her problem. So this is
Rashid again. I actually want to see more substance about the product presentation, because all those basically what I want to see is the product presentation of the water itself, and if you have any demonstration to verify how this water is different from the others. Can you all do that?
Who is your introducer? Maybe he can do the demo for you to try the water.
No, you're not doing this in the
we cannot
Zoom
let
call?
you try. We cannot let you try. You have to try it with your own taste. You taste it. Okay, you go back, take 2 glasses of water. 1 glass you scan with the terahertz device, and another glass you don't scan. Then you taste these two water. You will taste the difference. You must taste it, then you know the difference.
Is there any tools that you can measure the terahertz of the water content itself? Is there any tools or device to do the measurement comparison?
It is very costly to have this high-tech thing for this kind of measurement. So what we do, we use a lemon experiment.
Can you do that here right now for me to take a look because I'm still waiting for the device.
Yeah, same thing. You have to taste it. You see it, you can't feel it. So what I can teach you, 2 glasses of the lemon juice, 1 glass you scan with the terahertz device, 3 minutes, and then you taste it. You will taste the difference. You have to taste it. You see, you can't feel anything. You must compare.
Can you, while I'm waiting, I'm actually waiting for my machine. So is there any way that you can do that lemon test in this Zoom call now?
Just now I teach you already. So when you get the device, you can try it at home. Then, you can come in and tell me, okay?
Actually, we can't do the experiment here. We can't do the demo here. However, there are quite many what they call as a demonstration of a lemon experiment in a video clip. You can find it in the Google. You can find it in the YouTube. Just go ahead and find it. There's a lot. Now you got the answer there. Thank you.
Yes. If you are in Singapore today, you can come to our office in International Plaza, 13th floor, Unit 13. There is an English session, 2 p.m. You can come to office, then you can try it there. Bring the lemon, and then we can do the experiment together. Okay?
Dr. Prabhu?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm Ding also. I have one question here regarding the extra water in the lungs for dialysis patients. Now, can I say that, let's say the patient is drinking 500 ml of water a day. If we drink terahertz water, it will reduce the chance of having too much water in the lungs?
Okay, very simple. Now the water is already collected in the extracellular fluid. Just visualize cell, extracellular fluid. There's a lot of fluid out there. That is where the patient will have a little bit of breathing difficulties. Okay, now we are trying to reduce the water going inside. That is how the consumption of water will be reduced. Now your question is, if by drinking terahertz water, what is the benefit, or probably will it reduce the situation? Now, whatever the extracellular fluid is already there, it will be there until the doctor or your body starts picking it out from the tissue, putting it into the blood, or your cell should pick up the water. So there needs to be a balance. Now, when you're talking about terahertz water to be given in these kind of situations, you have to be a little careful, for the reason is that the patient is already having breathing difficulty, and doctor would have put them on tablet Lasix, wherein they will be passing more urine. Now, in this situation, it may be difficult for us to even tell that you please drink terahertz water, because if by taking the water, the absorption is much better, and there will be some response from the cell as well. And if the patient goes into a situation of more breathing difficulty, definitely it'll be a problem. They'll tell that after drinking terahertz water only we had this problem. So what I would say is we need to be cautious. So the best option you will have is, if they are drinking 500 ml of normal water, the initial stages start off with 50% of the terahertz water. Just mix it up in the normal water and start drinking slowly and see how the body responds. So it is always how the body responds is more important than you are looking at a solution for the water in the lungs. It is already there. So you need to be a little more careful in handling a disease situation. Is that right?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Dr. Babu, can I ask a question?
Who is this?
For those that are not speaking, can you mute the mic? Those who are not speaking.
Hello, Dr. Babu. Can I ask a question? Yeah, Mary dear. Check with you. If I got radish, is ice ball got water inside. So if drink and spray this terahertz water, can remove is ice ball inside the water, no?
Your eyes is already
ice ball inside got water.
Correct.
So I think he got see doctor to heal the other side. So the other one eyes he want to try this to to ring and spray this terrace water can be removed inside the water, no?
No, see, you're looking for, okay, very good. You are looking at a solution for a medical situation here, okay? He has a medical situation where the water collection is there. So what you are looking at is, if you're going to use terahertz water, what would be there? See, here what happens is all individually we need to pick it up and then give it a try, because definitely we do not have any clinical proof saying that, okay, fine, you drink this water, the water inside the thing has come down, but what I can guide you is, you can definitely spray the water outside, and that definitely will be able to help your cell to decide, okay, fine, this water is good. What it will do is, it will do the metabolism of what it is supposed to, clear it up. If there are some toxins, it will remove the toxin, and thereby the swelling or the edema will come down. So it is only on a trial. You should give it a try and then see what is the benefit you get. Probably you spray it few times, you will know exactly whether it's getting the benefit or no benefit.
No, he used more, I think 1 month plus already. May not this water can direct spray to his eyes balls or not? The eyes direct spray, open his eye and then spray or not? Or have to spray surrounding only?
Here I am little skeptical about telling you to directly spray on the eyes, because eye is the most sensitive part of our body, and you want to spray it. I wouldn't know whether if anybody has tried directly spraying inside the, or maybe even in the drops. But quality of the water is the water quality is definitely is antibacterial, antifungal. So it is good. It is sterile actually. It is. So definitely you should be able to put the drops in the eyes, because in our clinics we use normal saline to clean the eyes. If there is any dust inside, we use the normal saline. So definitely you can use the terahertz water to wash your eyes, maybe in the drops form. You definitely can use it.
Then how about spray?
Spray, you're forcing it on the eyes, right?
Oh,
it's always better to put in the dropper form so that it goes inside slowly instead of spraying, you know.
Okay. So use a sponge to wash also can, to wash his eye.
Yeah, because we are using normal saline. In our clinic to clean the eyes, we use normal saline. So in that way, terahertz is also a clean water one.
But he normally run outside, so sometimes use the spray on his eye also can.
But do not directly spray, because the pressure of the spray.
Keep a distance to spray lah.
Yeah, no, if you're using a spray, we do not know what is the pressure directly hitting your cornea, you know. So we do not know whether it's going to cause a little issues or not. We do not know. So do not try that. Maybe you use the drops. Is always safer.
Oh, okay. 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 Then I will inform him. Okay,
yeah,
thank you.
In fact, can spray, and then I heard some people use it to wash the eye. They use this
use sponge,
I more one and wash. So it improve.
Okay, I will inform him. Tell him this method and see how. Okay, thank you, Dr. Babu.
Okay, just now George already posted YouTube a demo of the lemon, but it's in Chinese. So you can just based on the pictures and the video how they do it. And this demo is more how to say, because it's through the cup can penetrate. So later I can show the picture as well. And what I teach you just now is to scan directly on that lemon on the glass. It's even stronger. You can taste the difference. And I'm going to type the International Plaza address. You can, if you're free today, you can visit. Yeah. So any more questions?
Angie, I need to leave, Angie, with your permission.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because 12 o'clock I have an appointment. I have to go out now. So thank you very much, and we will look forward to meet you next week. Until then, all of you have a very, very fantastic week. Be healthy, stay healthy. We will keep in touch. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Prabhu. Have a nice day. See you next week.
Thank you.
Okay. So I put in the chat group about this one. The sharing that today there is a sharing 2 p.m. is English and 4:30 is Chinese. So right now I'm the alone to operate few things. Tonight there will be a Chinese Zoom by I think it's by Joe Tang. It's a Malaysian group. Yeah, he is very experienced guy in this terahertz.
NG，今晚是我，因为昨天没有空。
Okay. So George even better. George is the first one to bring in this device to Malaysia first, and then come to Singapore and to other countries. So right now his income is few thousand a day USD. So you should learn from him in Chinese tonight. So regarding the lemon, I think I can share with you something. Meanwhile, anybody else would like to share your experience? I saw somebody type in the chat group, maybe too many already. You can unmute your mic and speak, yeah? Okay, there's one person asked about the toddler can drink or not. Yes, can. The baby also can drink, baby. Because baby used to have some jaundice, like skin sensitive. All this very good. You can use the water to boil it and then make the milk for baby to drink. Also can shower the baby with the terrace water. The skin will be very good. Because this water is small molecule already, so it's very fast to bring out the heat or whatever toxic inside the body. So pregnant woman can drink or not is for me definitely I will drink. I will treat it as a water, just the option for you to choose this water or that water. Of course I will choose the terahertz water because it's really very good to rinse away the toxic. During the pregnant there are so many problems, there are many toxic that you will pass to the baby when you deliver. So if during the pregnant you can just rinse away the toxic and the baby will be will be healthier, right? Okay, then I share the screen regarding the lemon one. This is another type of lemon test which is more advanced from this picture. Okay, can see my screen? Can So I'm not going to play. I just explain from this picture. So this is George. So this is another type of the lemon test to check whether your water is it still effective. People may ask, it will last for how long? Okay, we have done the charity. We give away the water for 2 months time. They still can drink and still effective. And for this lemon test, keep the water until 8 months time. And then how to do it? This bowl of water is a normal, same source of water. And then this bowl of water is using the after scan with 3 minutes. So it becomes terahertz. So the lemon you put into a small cup. It's the same lemon you put inside a small cup. And then you count 15 seconds only, 15 seconds. This cup of the lemon, because inside the terahertz water, there is energy. It can be penetrate the glass and treat the molecule inside the lemon juice. So when you drink these 2 cups, you will feel the difference. Like this one with the terahertz water one, it will be smooth and less. About the taste, I don't comment much, but it's smooth and not so bitter. But the original one, some people will feel very bitter, and the taste is a very. Another way, if you want to have a more significant difference, you directly scan on this lemon, direct scan. Why direct scan is more significant? Because the energy, the terahertz energy, direct go and treat the lemon molecule. Or if you soak inside the water, you have to penetrate the glass first, then treat the lemon. So sometimes it's not so significant. Okay. So you will want to test your device whether it's functional. One thing is you can scan. If you are sensitive, only the plain water you can tell the difference already. Or you can scan the lemon and then you taste the difference. These two. Okay. Any more question? Then just now I mentioned about jaundice. Now this one, the baby, baby jaundice. 4 months baby jaundice. Yeah, very good. So it is not to worry. So any more question?
Hi, this is Julie. I'd like to share some of my water experience.
Okay, great.
Okay. For me, normally my scalp is very sensitive. Once I caught into rain, wow, I must straight away go back and wash my hair because it will cause a lot of itchiness. Then with this water, every time when I wash hair, I rinse with it. Then this never happened. It's very good. Like my mother-in-law, she's already 90 years old and she's still having dandruff. And then after using this water for less than 3 wash, I think about 3 wash, her dandruff gone already. It's very good. Then like the spray, the water we put into the small spray bottle, then we spray on ourselves. It's really proof that this terahertz water, the molecule is so small that it straight away go into our skin. Like we have after a few hours of work, we feel tired on our body part. Then we just spray on the part. Then the tiredness gone. So this is very, very good for we all to carry on to use this water device. Is really super. 感恩. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much, Julie. Yeah, I heard about Julie's sharing a few times. Oh, it really benefit her and her family a lot. Yeah, Julie did mention about bone also improve a lot. Fall down 2 times, still okay, right, Julie? Right, 68 years old.
Yes, very good.
Wow. Yeah. So our bone also need water. So most of the time when we are aging, right, the bone is start to fracture. We say that the old people, you cannot fall down. You fall down, you fracture the bone. So wow, you really can see the effect that if you drink this water, your bone also absorbing the water and become better density. So when fall down, is still not too scared that it will. Yeah, very thank God Julie really is no problem even though fall down 2 times. Yeah. So from this picture, you see I have done a few experiments in fact. Yeah. So because for myself I'm a high cholesterol issue, then I see the benefit for myself. Because all the while I'm eating the supplement. And my house is already using the alkaline water filter. But these 2 things still cannot resolve my genetic this one inherited cholesterol problem. My blood is very thick. So when I add in this 3-minute scan, my alkaline water, then with the same supplement, surprisingly 3 months time, it start to drop. Of course, at these 3 months, because COVID season, most of the time eating at home, the home cook. So I use the brown rice, and then more veggie. So the diet is playing a part of it. So if you control your diet and your good sleep, then the effect will be faster. So those that people may feedback that, hey, I drink 3 months already, no effect. So first thing you have to ask yourself, is your other things like your diet, your balance, is it balanced? Good. Eat different kind of the veggie. It will give you different nutrient. So is the nutrient enough? If not enough, then maybe you get some supplement to complement it. Then if your sleep okay, your sleep. So all this is a whole holistic way. Then some people use it to rear the fish. You see the fish. Yeah, it's very good. The stroke patient. And one more thing I want to share is if you are taking any supplement in a powder mode, when you melt inside the terahertz water and company is very good. when you buy this package, they give away this filter. But those you already have a good filter at home, you can continue use it. The water from your filter, you come out and then you put inside the jug, the given jug, 3.5 liter. This is a good quality plastic with the FDA chalk. Why FDA? Because FDA is to test the food, whether have any pollutant or chemical, right? So we test this jug is to make sure that this plastic is good quality, that it will not release any chemical to the water, right? So this filter is a complimentary in the package. For those house at Singapore house, there are many people don't have a water filter. So just nice, you can use this. Even though it's small, can fit to your pipe, tap water, Yeah, for those, please mute yourself. There are 8 layers of the filtering. You can see this in the box, the given box. So 8 layers written in Chinese is up to 0.1, and there is alkaline, mild alkaline. So Singapore, we have tested the water after this filter plus 3 minutes is 8.1 the pH. So the alkaline is actually from the filter. The terahertz device, it will not change your pH. Because it never touch your water. It will change your molecule and make it anti-radiation. So from this, besides filter away the rust, the algae, the soil, the killing germs part, I can tell that is from the terahertz device. Because terahertz is a kind of wavelength similar to the UV, can kill all the bacteria and germs. So all this one, it can be washed, When it's dirty, in Singapore is around 1 week time, you will see it's dirty already. In Malaysia, maybe 3 days, because my sister in Malaysia told me, right? So you can wash using the jet spray to wash it. Until cannot wash, you can change this. You can use your point. When you buy this device, you will be given an account. So there will be a point system that you can use a point to buy this device, this filter only. 5 pieces only 50 points. So this company is not to making money from this. So here a different kind of the filter. They will teach you how to. You can fit in yourself. It's very easy. Then there are some other testimony. I'm not sure if you want to watch. Okay, maybe we watch this. For example, in Africa, you saw. You see what kind of water they drink? We see the picture because speak in Chinese. You see, the water that they drink is so dirty from our point of view. It's dirty, right? But for them, because they really don't have other choice, so they still drink it. Can drink or not? Yes, can. So it's up to you. You have your choice. You want to drink this dirty water, or you want to have a very good, better water. It's a choice for you. So this one, so the outcome of drinking this dirty water, what will happen? The child is sometimes a bloated stomach, so maybe a shorter lifespan. So all this, we all have the choice. We are not forcing everybody. You must have this very good one. Everybody have the choice, and the price is affordable, and it is a charity career. So when you taste it good, you share with the people. We give away the people. We do the charity. Recently in Singapore, we also give the charity to help the rest of people. This one, before I stop sharing, this is the test report that we test in the Singapore. This set so is the purposely to test the people. We cannot anyhow bring this to test in a HSA. And nobody will because it's not the right department to test the water, right? Some people ask me, you got a HSA license or not? No, wrong. We are not supplement. We are not food. This is a high-tech device. Also, what we can do is take the water from the filter after scan, and this water we send for the SETSO, which is focus is special department to test the water only. So they have the WSO spec, the WSO spec, and they can compare. So from here you can see that it's 8.1, is mild alkaline, is good enough. And then the total residue chlorine also reduced to 0.6, 0.6. So the chlorine basically is from the filter, from your filter. It's not from the terahertz. Terahertz, you can scan any liquid. So what if you take the tap water to scan, also can. The only thing, the tap water maybe have some other contamination, metallic contamination, and also may have some the soil, algae. Then what the terahertz can do, it kill the bacteria, all the germs, and also make the small molecule. But whatever substance inside will still remain. Okay, the E. coli also reduce negligible. So there are many testimony. So I stopped sharing and let me go back. Anybody in the chat group mentioned, they will just open the mic and speak. Too long. Okay, warranty is 1 year. 1 year. You don't drop inside the water. It really drop. There's maintenance can repair in the KL. There's office can repair. Okay. Yeah, it's made in Shenzhen, but the technology is from US, and I mean the technology is well recognized in US, Europe, and Japan, China. All this already treat terahertz is a very good technology, because the 6G, there was 6G. Right now our handphone is using 5G, right? 5G network, and it's a very high radiation, in fact. So the scientists now is doing research and on the 6G, and 6G is using the terahertz wavelength, and China and the US is competing on this. If you Google, you'll find some article on this. Yeah, and besides that, in fact, this terahertz wavelength is used in many other areas as well.